Hi everyone, here is the Elsa's costume inspired by Disney's Frozen 2. Elsa's outfit started out as an overcoat and eventually turned into a glistening gown. We will start the overcoat crafting process by learning to draft. When it comes to enhancements of the fabric, we have to choose certain materials that would drape on the body nicely. Cutting materials make easier when you understand how to arrange it. Mandarin collar is an elegant element in this costume. Polka dots organza wings which symbolize Elsa's power and her gracefulness. A deep back neck sewing with stretchable net materials makes this overcoat unique. I will provide the easy to follow steps for sewing. To get a two-tone effect, we choose a darker toned lace material and add some beadswork and sequins. We will learn how to create a snowflake brooch, and here is a nice belt with snowflake design at the middle. We added snowflake design sequins and lace encrusted shoulders to look like militaristic bell heads. Please join me for the making of the most wanted costume of the season. Sew your very own masterpiece.